Hi guys, good evening. Kain tayo guys. Ulam natin ay munggo with malunggay, alokbati, tinapa, baboy, at saka syempre may sitcharon baboy guys. So, ayan guys. Ayan, baboy yan guys. Sitcharon. Kain tayo guys. Hapunan guys. Thank you. Hi guys, good evening. Ayan, ulam for today's dinuguan tayo guys para maiba naman. Dinuguan for short. Ayan oh. Ayan guys oh. Dinuguan yan guys. Oh, di ba? Yummy. Yummy dinuguan guys. Oh. Ayan, di ba? Mausok-usok pang dinuguan. Ayan. Ayan guys, hapunan for today's hapunan. Ayan yung hapunan natin guys. Kita nyo guys. Yummy. Hapunan namin ngayon ay dinuguan. Yummy too guys. Okay guys. Yan. Hapunan yan guys. Dinuguan. Yan. Ayan guys. Salmon yan guys.